Are you tired of scrolling through Snapchat without seeing any returns? What if I told you that your snaps could be more than just fleeting moments? Imagine turning your Snapchat addiction into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time income. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, we're diving deep into the realm of Snapchat money-making strategies. From winning prizes with Snapchat Spotlight to leveraging user-generated content, we've got 9 proven ways to help you monetize your Snapchat presence. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to turn your snaps into stacks of cash. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Win prizes with Snapchat Spotlight. Are you a content creator with a knack for crafting short, engaging videos? Look no further than Snapchat's Spotlight program. This initiative rewards emerging creators with enticing monthly prizes that can be exchanged for real cash. To participate, simply join Spotlight challenges and submit videos aligned with specific themes or topics. Success is determined by the views and engagement your content garners. But here's the catch. Your account must meet certain criteria, including a minimum of 1,000 followers and over 1,000 views within the competition month. So, if you're ready to showcase your creativity and potentially earn some extra income, Snapchat Spotlight awaits. Number 2. Get rewarded on stories. Ever wondered if your Snapchat stories could earn you some extra cash? Well, wonder no more. Snapchat offers rewards to users who consistently contribute to their stories. By actively adding content to your public profile, you become eligible to receive a share of the ad revenue generated. But there's a catch. Your account must meet specific criteria, including having over 50,000 subscribers, substantial view time, and regular story postings. So, if you're ready to turn your daily adventures into dollars, start snapping those stories and watch the rewards roll in. It's time to monetize your storytelling skills on Snapchat and reap the benefits. Number 3. Promote your products and services. Looking for a cost-effective way to boost your sales? Enter Snapchat, your new marketing playground. Utilize the platform to showcase your products and services in a creative and engaging manner. Whether it's giving your audience a sneak peek behind the scenes, demonstrating your products in action, or highlighting their unique features, Snapchat provides a dynamic space to connect with potential customers. Leverage features like stories and snaps to captivate your audience and drive sales. Remember, authenticity is key. Share real experiences and genuine interactions to build trust with your followers. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, start promoting on Snapchat today and watch your revenue soar. Number 4. Partner with influencers. In the vast landscape of social media, influencers reign supreme, and Snapchat is no exception. Despite some platform limitations, collaborating with relevant influencers can be a game changer for your brand. By teaming up with influencers whose audience aligns with your target market, you gain access to a ready-made community of potential customers. Leverage their credibility and reach to promote your products or services authentically. Whether it's through sponsored snaps, takeovers, or product placements, influencer partnerships can significantly expand your brand's visibility and credibility on Snapchat. So, don't overlook the power of influencers. Forge strategic alliances and watch your brand soar to new heights in the world of Snapchat marketing. Number 5. Create an affiliate program. Looking to turbocharge your marketing efforts on Snapchat? Consider launching an affiliate program. This win-win strategy involves partnering with influencers and other partners who promote your products or services in exchange for a percentage of the revenue from sales generated through their unique affiliate links. By incentivizing partners to drive sales, you not only expand your reach, but also boost your sales revenue. Make it easy for affiliates by providing them with assets and content ideas they can seamlessly share with their audience. The more successful they are in promoting your business, the more they earn, a true partnership where everyone wins. So, if you're ready to supercharge your Snapchat marketing, dive into the world of affiliate programs today. Number 6. Host a Snapchat takeover. Want to inject some excitement into your Snapchat presence? Consider hosting a takeover. Partner with well-known influencers or businesses in your niche and invite them to create and share content on your Snapchat account for a day or two. Not only does this collaborative effort add a fresh perspective to your content, but it also attracts the followers of the takeover host to your account. The increased engagement and exposure can lead to a surge in new followers and potential customers. Plus, you can monetize the takeover by running special promotions or offering exclusive discounts during the event. So, get ready to shake things up and host a Snapchat takeover that leaves your audience wanting more. Number 7. Capture local users with geo-filters. Looking to target local audiences or promote your brick-and-mortar store? Snapchat's geo-filters are your secret weapon. These location-based overlays allow you to create custom filters tailored to specific areas, enticing users to engage with your brand. By toggling on location services and enabling Snapchat filters, you can serve up geo-filters to users in your desired location, whether it's a city, town, or event venue. Use creative designs and compelling messaging to attract users and drive them to your physical location or website. Whether you're running a limited-time promotion or simply increasing brand awareness locally, geo-filters are a powerful tool to capture the attention of local users on Snapchat. Number 8. Run descriptive ads. In a world where attention spans are short and scrolling is endless, descriptive ads on Snapchat are your ticket to capturing audience interest. Users on the platform are hesitant to navigate away, so it's crucial to provide them with all the information they need within your ad itself. Be descriptive about your product or service, highlighting its features, benefits, and any special promotions or discounts. Use eye-catching visuals and compelling copy to grab attention and keep users engaged. Don't forget to include clear calls to action, prompting viewers to swipe up for more information or to make a purchase. By providing a detailed preview of what awaits them, you'll increase the likelihood of conversion and ensure that your ad stands out in the crowded Snapchat landscape. So, don't skimp on the details. Run descriptive ads and watch your engagement soar. Number 9. Leverage UGC. User-generated content, UGC, is a goldmine for building trust and authenticity on Snapchat. Incorporating customer reviews, videos, and photos into your ads creates a genuine connection with potential customers. Studies show that UGC converts at a rate 102% higher than average, highlighting its effectiveness in driving sales. Embrace the organic nature of Snapchat by featuring UGC in your ads, allowing users to see real experiences from past shoppers. By leveraging UGC, you not only showcase the value of your products or services, but also foster a sense of community around your brand. So don't overlook the power of UGC. Harness it to elevate your Snapchat marketing efforts to new heights. There you have it, 9 proven ways to make money on Snapchat. From winning prizes to leveraging user-generated content, the opportunities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Start monetizing your Snapchat presence today and turn your snaps into cash. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering the art of making money online. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time.